To sign tradition, use two flat hands, then hold them above your shoulder, form alternating circles while moving your hands forward at the same time. Tradition. Tradition. This sign makes use of a signing space just above your shoulder, which we refer to as one of the timelines. Now, you could reverse the circles, and this could mean history or a long time ago. But as you're bringing the circles forward, it's almost like you're bringing a tradition through time and you're bringing it forward.